Today we're going to be doing the feather stitch. I'm going to come up on this left hand pencil line. I've drawn out 4 pencil lines, and then I'm going to go down 2 other pencil lines away. I'm going to stab that needle back down through the felt, holding on to this loop here, and then I'm going to bring up my needle around about there on that middle line. I'm going to pull it through and then head over parallel over here, take my needle down through the felt, holding on to the thread, and then I'm going to come up through this middle pencil line here. So this is a decorative hand embroidery stitch. Just going to head over there on the left once again. So this creates a series of open looping stitches arranged along this central line. The result looks a little bit like delicate feathers, hence its name. And this stitch is often used for borders and vines and floral stems, nature-inspired designs like branches, seaweed, coral shapes, things like that. You can also use it for decorative seams in hand sewing. So yeah, it's really effective. You like the purple on this yellow felt as well, and then you just head down finishing off with just a little stitch over the end like so, and then you would tie a knot on the back of your fabric.